Welcome back to Channel V8X, where raw American muscle meets cinematic storytelling. If high performance, cutting-edge design, and adrenaline-pumping power are your thing, you're in the right place. Today on Channel V8X, we're diving deep into a true American icon, the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 2026, finished in a menacing metallic dark gray. The 2026 Corvette ZR1 isn't just another supercar, it's a statement. A bold declaration of what American engineering can achieve when power, precision, and design come together. From the very first glance, this machine commands attention. Low, wide, and aggressive, the ZR1 looks like it was built to dominate both the road and the racetrack. Let's start with the front view. This angle is pure intimidation. The sharp LED headlights cut through the air like blades, while the sculpted hood vents and carbon fiber splitter signals serious performance intentions. In metallic dark gray, every contour pops, every line looks sharper, and the car feels alive even when standing still. Move to the side view, and the ZR1's supercar proportions truly shine. The long, low silhouette flows effortlessly from front to rear, with aggressive side intakes feeding the beast beneath. The wide stance and performance wheels give it that unmistakable planted look. This is speed, frozen in motion. Now the rear view, arguably the most dramatic angle of all. The glowing LED taillights, centered quad exhaust, and massive carbon fiber diffuser combine to create a look that's both futuristic and brutally powerful. This is the view of the driver's seat right before the ZR1 disappears down the road. Step inside, and the dashboard view delivers a whole new level of excitement. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you with premium materials, carbon fiber accents, and digital performance displays. Every button, every screen, every detail is designed to keep the driver locked in and connected at high speeds. Under the hood, the engine view tells the real story. The supercharged V8 is the heart of the Corvette ZR1 2026. Delivering over 800 horsepower of pure American muscle. This isn't just power, it's controlled chaos, engineered for maximum performance and reliability. From above, the drone view showcases the ZR1's aggressive aerodynamics. The wide body, sculpted roof vents, and muscular rear haunches look even more dramatic from the sky, emphasizing just how purpose-built this car truly is. On the open road, the highway shot brings everything together. The ZR1 surges forward with confidence, slicing through the air as the background blurs away. It feels fast, sounds aggressive, and looks absolutely unstoppable. And finally, the night shot. Under city lights, with reflections dancing across the metallic dark gray paint, the Corvette ZR1 transforms into a dark, cinematic beast. Headlights glowing, stance aggressive. This is automotive art after dark. As for the price, the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 2026 is expected to start around $150,000 to $180,000, depending on options and performance packages. For the power, technology, and presence it delivers, this ZR1 positions itself as one of the most compelling American supercars ever built. This is more than just a car, it's a legend in motion. You've been watching Channel V8X, your home for elite American performance and cinematic automotive experiences. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 2026, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because only on Channel V8X do legends roar this loud. Fire checker flag.